Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who loves music, gaming, or just can't live without your favorite headphones, this video is for you. In 2025, headphones have become smarter, sleeker, and sometimes, more expensive than ever, so taking proper care of them is super important if you want to keep them sounding great and lasting longer. Whether you use wireless earbuds, gaming headsets, or high-end over-ear headphones, these simple but essential tips will help you protect your gear, avoid common mistakes, and save money in the long run. So stick around as we dive into the top 5 tips to take care of your headphones in 2025. Let's get started. On number 1 is LLT Gem Headphone Headset Case compatible with JBL Tune 510 BT720 BT520 BT770NC, Sony WH-CH 520, Soundcore by Anchor Life Q20/Q20i/Q30, Earbuds. Video wireless on-ear headphones is a well-designed, affordable protective case that serves the essential purpose of safeguarding a variety of popular on-ear wireless headphones from damage during travel, storage, or daily use. Crafted from high-quality EVA material, this case offers excellent durability, with a hard outer shell that resists crushing, impacts, and water splashes while keeping headphones securely housed inside. Its interior features a soft, scratch-resistant lining and a convenient mesh pocket for carrying small accessories like charging cables or adapters. The zipper closure is smooth and sturdy, ensuring easy access without risking headphone damage. The compact and lightweight build makes it extremely portable without adding unnecessary bulk, and the included carabiner clip adds versatility for attaching the case to backpacks or luggage. In real-life use, the case performs admirably, keeping headphones well protected from knocks and environmental wear while traveling or commuting, and it fits the mentioned headphone model snugly without being too tight. Compared to competitors like the LT Gem or Hermit Shell cases, this option stands out for its broader compatibility across multiple headphone brands and models, making it more versatile for users who own different headphone types. While some premium cases might offer slightly thicker padding or designer aesthetics, this case balances protection, simplicity, and affordability effectively. It doesn't feature unnecessary extras, which helps keep the cost accessible for most users. The case offers excellent value for money, especially when considering the potential cost of replacing damaged headphones. It is ideally suited for travelers, students, and daily commuters looking for a practical, budget-friendly way to extend the lifespan of their headphones. Overall, this is a highly recommended purchase for anyone seeking reliable headphone protection without breaking the bank. White check mark emoji, pros. Sturdy, shock-resistant, and water-repellent hard shell design. Broad compatibility with multiple headphone brands and models. Lightweight, portable, and includes accessory storage and a carabiner. Cross mark emoji, cons. Limited color options, mainly available in basic tones like blue or black. Padding could be thicker compared to higher-end alternatives. No internal straps to hold headphones in place during vigorous movement. On number 2 is Uneco 8-piece hearing aid amplifier cleaning tools and earbuds/headphones/AirPods cleaner brush kit with case is a practical, all-in-one solution designed for anyone looking to keep their hearing devices, earbuds, or headphones in top condition. This versatile kit includes an assortment of cleaning brushes, wax loops, vent picks, microfiber cloths, and a convenient carrying case, making it highly portable and easy to use for both daily maintenance and deep cleaning. Its primary purpose is to help extend the life of audio devices by removing dirt, earwax, debris, and dust that can accumulate over time and negatively affect sound quality or hygiene. The tools are made with durable materials that are gentle yet effective, allowing users to clean delicate components like hearing aid vents, mesh grills of earbuds, and headphone ports without causing damage. The inclusion of a compact storage case keeps all tools organized and protected, making it an ideal companion for travel or home use. In real-life scenarios, this kit excels in its simplicity and effectiveness. Small brushes reach into tight spaces, wax loops clear stubborn residue, and the anti-static cloth ensures a polished finish. Compared to other cleaning kits, such as the widely used Huggies 5-in-1 earbuds cleaner, this 8-piece set offers better value through a wider range of tools and multi-device compatibility, making it suitable not only for AirPods and earbuds but also for hearing aids, which often require more delicate care. The build quality of each tool is solid for the price point, though some users may find the plastic handles slightly less premium than high-end options. Nevertheless, the kit delivers outstanding performance for its intended purpose, ensuring that devices stay hygienic and function properly without the need for expensive professional cleaning. This cleaning kit is particularly useful for elderly hearing aid users, students with constant earbud use, and tech enthusiasts who care about maintaining their gadgets. Overall, it provides excellent value, and I would definitely recommend it to anyone seeking an affordable, easy-to-carry cleaning solution for their audio gear. White check mark emoji, pros. Comprehensive 8-piece set compatible with hearing aids, earbuds, headphones, and AirPods. Compact, travel-friendly storage case included. Effective and gentle on delicate electronics. Cross mark emoji, cons. Some tools feel lightweight and less durable. No instructions included for first-time users. Plastic build may not satisfy those seeking premium finishes. On number 3 is Pansenite Invisible InEar Sleep Earbuds are thoughtfully designed wireless earphones tailored specifically for side sleepers and those who want a comfortable, discreet audio solution for sleeping, relaxation, or daily use. Featuring an ultra-compact, almost invisible in-ear design, these earbuds sit snugly and comfortably inside the ear without causing discomfort or pressure, even when lying on your side for hours. Built with the latest Bluetooth 5.4 technology, the earbuds ensure stable and seamless connectivity with smartphones, tablets, and other Bluetooth-enabled devices while consuming minimal battery. One of the standout features is their noise-canceling capability, which passively blocks out ambient noise, making them ideal for light sleepers or those in noisy environments. The earbuds deliver surprisingly impressive hi-fi sound quality for their tiny size, offering crisp highs, clear mids, and decent bass, while built-in microphones support clear phone calls without distortion. The smart touch controls make it easy to adjust volume, skip tracks, answer calls, or activate voice assistants without fumbling for buttons in the dark. In real-life use, these earbuds excel not only for sleep but also for meditation, podcasts, or discrete work calls. The battery life is moderate, typically offering around 5 hours per charge, with the included compact charging case extending total usage to approximately 20 hours, not industry-leading, but acceptable given the ultra-small form factor. Compared to alternatives like Bose SleepBuds 2, which focus solely on sleep sounds without call capability, Pansenite provides more versatility by allowing users to play any audio they choose, including music, audiobooks, or white noise. However, it lacks the active noise cancellation, ANC of pricier models and the ultra-premium build of brands like Sony or Bose. For the price, though, the Pansenite sleep earbuds deliver excellent value, particularly for people who prioritize comfort and discretion over audiophile-grade sound. They are perfect for side sleepers, frequent travelers, or anyone seeking a lightweight, barely their audio solution for bedtime or casual listening. Overall, these earbuds are a solid, budget-friendly choice that balances comfort, sound quality, and usability effectively, and I would recommend them to anyone looking for sleep-friendly wireless earbuds. White check mark emoji, pros. Ultra compact, comfortable design perfect for side sleepers. Good sound quality with clear calls and Bluetooth 5.4 stability. Smart touch controls and portable charging case. Cross mark emoji, cons. No active noise cancellation, ANC, only passive. Battery life is average compared to larger earbuds. Build materials feel less premium than high-end competitors. On number 4 is PC Hero Headphone AirPods. Covers are an affordable and practical accessory designed to protect and extend the life of over-ear headphones, especially for users who wear them during gym sessions, workouts, gaming, aviation, or long hours of listening. Sold as a set of 2 washable, stretchable fabric covers, these earpad protectors are compatible with headphone earpads measuring 3.5 inches to 4.3 inches in diameter, making them suitable for a wide variety of brands including Bose, Sony, Beats, JBL, and more. The main purpose of these covers is to serve as a hygienic barrier between your skin and the headphone pads, preventing sweat, dirt, and oils from wearing out the original material, which can crack or peel over time. The breathable, soft cloth material ensures enhanced comfort, especially in hot weather or during intense physical activity, where leather or synthetic pads can become sticky and uncomfortable. The stretchy design allows for quick installation and removal, and the covers can be easily hand-washed and air-dried, maintaining freshness over time. In real-life use, the PC Hero covers significantly reduce ear sweat and discomfort during long listening or gaming sessions, making headphones feel cooler and more comfortable without noticeably affecting sound quality. Compared to disposable headphone covers often used in public settings, these washable versions offer a more eco-friendly and cost-effective solution. When compared with higher-priced brands like Geekria or Wicked Cushions, the PC Hero covers stand out for their affordability while still delivering decent durability and performance, though they may not have the same premium fit and finish or range of colors. One minor drawback is that the fabric can slightly muffle treble or high frequencies in some headphone models, though most casual listeners won't notice the difference. Overall, these earpad covers are an excellent value for anyone who wants to protect their headphones from sweat and wear without sacrificing comfort or spending too much. Ideal for fitness enthusiasts, gamers, call center workers, or travelers, I would recommend these to anyone who uses over-ear headphones regularly and wants an easy, washable solution for keeping their gear fresh and clean. White check mark emoji, pros. Breathable, washable fabric, perfect for gym, sports, and long wear. Universal fit for most over-ear headphones, 3.5-4.3. Protects original ear pads from sweat, dirt, and wear. Cross mark emoji, cons. Slight reduction in sound clarity, minor treble muffling. Not as snug fitting as some premium brands. Limited color choices, mostly basic black. On number 5 is Lamacall headphone stand is a sleek, versatile, and space-saving solution designed to keep your headphones organized, protected, and easily accessible, whether you're a gamer, music lover, or professional. Made from high-quality ABS plastic with a sturdy metal clamp, this headset hanger supports a wide range of headphones including popular models from HyperX, Razer, Sony, and Sennheiser. One of its standout features is the 360-degree rotation hook, which allows you to swivel the hanger to any angle, saving desk space while keeping your headphones within easy reach. The soft rubber padding on the hook prevents scratches and dents on your headset's headband, ensuring longevity. Additionally, the built-in cable organizer is a thoughtful touch, keeping headphone wires or charging cables neatly managed and off the floor, reducing clutter and potential damage. The clamp design supports desks up to 1.97 inches, 5 centimeters, thick and installs without tools, making it highly portable and renter-friendly. In everyday use, the Lamacall stand performs exceptionally well, it's stable, doesn't loosen over time, and can hold even heavier gaming headsets securely without sagging. Compared to other stands like the Newbie headset hanger or Corsair SD100 RGB stand, the Lamacall offers a more minimalist, functional approach without unnecessary bulk or gimmicks, and at a more budget-friendly price point. While it lacks USB ports or RGB lighting seen in premium stands, its rotating hook and cable management features give it practical advantages, especially for small desks or multi-device setups. The build quality is solid for the price, though some users may prefer a fully metal construction for aesthetics. Overall, the Lamacall headphone hanger is an excellent value for gamers, office workers, and music enthusiasts looking to protect their headsets and maintain a clean workspace. It's especially useful for people with limited desk space or those who appreciate functional, minimalist accessories. I would definitely recommend it as a smart, affordable upgrade for any headphone user who values both form and function. White check mark emoji, pros. 360-degree rotating hook saves space and offers flexibility. Built-in cable organizer reduces desk clutter. Easy tool-free installation and compatible with most desks and headphones. Cross mark emoji, cons. Mostly plastic construction, less premium feel than all metal options. No additional features like USB ports or lighting. Limited to desk thickness of 1.97 inches or less.